Today, we're checking out the Matter to DALI and 0 to 10 volts controller. We'll pair it with a Zigbee remote for easy use. We're using the Thread gateway with Amazon Alexa, and you set the converter mode to 0 to 10 volts using the dip switch. Over here, we've got a 0 to 10 volts LED dimmer connected. Let's get started by adding the converter to Alexa. Just click on Add Device, find Matter, click the prog key 5 times to reset it, then scan the QR code to add the device. And that's it. You can control the lights now. Let's turn off the lights.
Alexa, turn on the light.
Okay.
Now, let's pair the remote. We're going to pair the remote using the Zigbee TouchLink method. First, click the prog key on the converter 4 times to put it into pairing mode. Next, choose a group on the remote and hold it down. It'll enter TouchLink pairing mode too. When you see the indicator light flashing quickly, get it close. Just before the pairing finishes, the light will flash slowly a few times. And there you go. You can now control the lights with the remote. Let's turn them off and back on. You can also adjust the brightness with the knob. Now, here's the GP switch, which is the battery version, and pairing it is super easy too. Just click the prog key 4 times to enter pairing mode. Then, tap any button on the GP switch 4 times, and you're all set. You can control the lights now, turn them off, and on again. Holding down the button lets you adjust the brightness. The Zigbee remote still works too. So, you can actually pair both the Zigbee remote and the GP switch with the same Matter controller at the same time. If you want to pair multiple Zigbee remotes using TouchLink, you'll need to network them first. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.